just now saying things I said years ago. I'm fed up, man. History in the making. Mine in the gutter. We yours are.
Ooh, this industry dead. These rappers repeat what I said. Now I'm getting fed up. Like why y'all keep coming around? Biting my style of my sound, can't head up. Look at my swags. Hammer pull up in that jag. I'm popping tags. All of my niggas got pieces on dead. This industry dead. These rappers repeat what I said. Now I'm getting fed up. Like why y'all keep coming around? Biting my style of my sound, can't head up. Oh, look at my swags. Hammer pull up in that jag. I'm popping tags. All of my niggas got pieces on dead. 50 bands, that's a kick slow. Not enough to beat the case though. You acting stupid, I'm acting foolish. Gotta hit us move when I say so. The gun collection looking halo. Yeah, nigga, that's a video game. Got some artists that pen your frame. You want the bench, you ain't in the game. Chopper kicking like that nigga who came. My sister's so all of the guns. Strippers got all of my ones. My niggas be chopping fun. Crossing over to the other side. No concern about really who I'm with. I'm independent, my clips are standing. Look at Ashy Gridge like a bluish pit. Yeah, me and Trump got something in common. Hammer Time don't fuck with niggas. Took my cousin on the shopping spree just to let him know that I'm fucking with him. $1,000 on me and his neck. 32 bands, that was me on that check. Doors up, there was me and that lack in the added power, getting hit in the back. Yeah, industry dead. These rappers repeat what I said. Now I'm getting fed up. Like why they keep coming around? Biting my style of my sound, can't head up. Look at my swags. Hammer pull up in that jag. I'm popping tags. All of my niggas got pistols on me. This industry dead. These rappers repeat what I said. Now I'm getting fed up. Like why y'all keep coming around? Biting my style of my sound, can't head up. Look at my swags. Hammer pull up in that jag. I'm popping tags. All of my niggas got pistols on me. Meant to say this shit years ago. Heavy y'all rappers, nigga needs to blow. To the next track, I'm lyrically harder. I'm Kendrick Lamar, I'm Sean Carter. Life's a bitch, I want y'all about her. And planted the seed that got godfathers. We fucking this world. Probably be spoiling your girl. Probably will send it with birds. Fuck y'all niggas really thought this was enemies in the shop. Hope you caught the buzz. Every jumping on these niggas who support the judge. Hold up. Court the judge, 50 bands in the safe though. Unemployed, I can put you on my payroll. For a boss with your ass like J-Lo. We hit you up, no calls, better lay low. Cause I say so. We did it again. 100% nigga, I don't pretend. Banging my hits like percussion. Start biting my style of discussion. Said, don't you go bother my luggage. You crossing the line on the bus. Look at me falling in the clutch. Get the coupe down with your cousin. Bitch, industry dead. These rappers repeat what I said. Now I'm getting fed up. Like why y'all keep coming